Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Matt. A little bit sick today, so the voice is a little hoarse. But in today's video, we're going to be trying to take off these door handles from this LMTV. These guys, so that we can get them rekeyed. The first step I believe I need to do is I took off this panel, and then you take off this bolt over here. Hopefully it's that easy. Wish me luck. I actually filmed this portion a few weeks ago when I was doing the power washing and the soundproofing of the truck. Still wanted to show this because I think it's important, where I'm taking off the door panel just with like a flathead screwdriver. You have to take the plastic stoppers out, the door handle, the window crank, and then the material that's holding the door together to prevent it from swinging open. You see I'm using a bunch of random tools and knives here, but later on in the video you'll see I'll actually buy a door panel removing kit. Definitely worth $11 at AutoZone. It looks like that did it. Let's see. Oh, it loosened it. One way to do it. All right, now that the door handle's out, proof of work, I'm gonna go get it rekeyed. Wish me luck. While we're waiting for the door handles to get rekeyed, I'm just gonna show you how I took off the door panels on the other side. The panel is now off, and now I'm taking off the driver's side door handle. There's a reason why this door handle wasn't working. The wire that attaches to the latch, not connected. I was struggling to pull the handle off, so I decided to take off the lock box mechanism to attack this from a different angle. Whatever unit had this truck, my god, they didn't know what they were doing. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so the door handles came back and were rekeyed. So right now I'm trying to kind of set up the best way to install the handle and the latch mechanism. From what I was doing, this is the best method, is to attach it as one piece instead of trying to install it while it's in the door. Put this little guy here. For the most part, I'm not going to fast forward this because I think it's important for people to understand how this mechanism works with the handle and the latch. But if you don't care, by all means, fast forward yourselves.
Perfect.
This is gonna look like this. So the way I figured out how the latch and the handle work together is from the rod size. The longer rod size is for the door handle, and for the shorter rod, it's for the lock. Okay, like so. And here I'm trying to reinstall the handle on the latch. If you're seeing that I am confused, it's because you're right. So it looks like the latch box that came with this auction military truck is actually dilapidated. So every time I try locking it, when their mechanism is in the opposite position, it will not lock the door. So I had to push the locking mechanism forward in the correct position, but it's something that I'm going to replace, and the parts are on the way now. And here I'm installing the passenger handle. passenger door done. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again.